Hey guys, welcome to our channel Food Treasure. Here we are with another video of recipe. Today we got one of the famous slow cooked Indian curry, which is Lamb Rogan Josh. All the ingredients are listed down below in the description, so you can check it out. So on the ingredients, we got 1 kilo of diced lamb, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, about 6 tablespoons of the vegetable oil, 400 grams of the canned diced tomatoes, 3 tablespoons of garam masala, 3 or 4 sticks of the cinnamon, 2-3 parts of cardamom, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. So on the pot, you're gonna pour the oil. So once that oil heated, so we're gonna place the diced lamb. We're gonna cook it until it turns into golden brown. So generally you can buy the Lamb Rogan Josh from the shop, but we're making from the scratch. You're gonna put the ginger garlic paste, onion, that 400 grams of the diced canned tomatoes, a little bit of water. As you know, it's a slow cooking, so we're gonna cover that one and cook in the slow heat. Once it starts simmering, so we keep stirring. So we already blend the garam masala, the cinnamon stick, cardamom pod, and the coriander stem, and we got a little bit of turmeric, salt to taste, and bit of pepper. So it's a mix of a lot of spices. The pepper is optional, so you can put it on your preference. And we cover it. We slow cooking that, so we can add some water if we need it. We gotta keep stirring that one. Make sure it's not burned from down. So put in the low heat and cook it for longer. As you can see, the lamb start releasing the oil. So when it's like nice and tender, look at this beautiful piece. So it's ready to go. So we're gonna put some coriander leaves and save some coriander leaves for our garnish, and it's good to go. So we're serving with the rice. You can serve with the naan or roti. Look at this beautiful Lamb Rogan Josh, the freshly made. So we made from the scratch. So even the Lamb Rogan Josh paste is not that hard to make at home.
Thanks for watching. If you want more such videos, make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon.